Over 60% of CIOs are planning to replace or upgrade their ITSM platforms within the next 12 months. In this video, we're counting down the top 7 ITSM solutions to consider for 2026. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why even the best ITSM platform is only half the equation. But before we dive into the countdown, let me set the stage with a reality check. The ITSM market is projected to hit $7.7 billion by 2034. That's massive growth. But here's the uncomfortable statistic. 44% of IT leaders identify data silos and disparate systems as their biggest challenge in deploying ITSM solutions. Think about that. Almost a third of organizations can't even connect their shiny new ITSM platform to the systems they need it to work with. Remember that statistic. It's going to be important as we work through this countdown. Now, let's start with number 7. At number 7, we have SolarWinds Service Desk. SolarWinds delivers comprehensive ITSM capabilities with deep integration into the broader SolarWinds monitoring ecosystem. The platform brings together ticketing, asset management, and operational monitoring in one central location. You get AI-powered automation that handles ticket routing, categorization, and prioritization automatically. The integrated IT asset management gives you comprehensive asset discovery and tracking across your entire infrastructure. And because it's built by SolarWinds, you get native integration with monitoring data, so incidents can trigger automatically based on infrastructure events. The Employee Service Portal provides a customizable interface where users can submit requests, track tickets, and access knowledge base articles. Everything flows through one unified system that ties your service desk directly to your infrastructure monitoring. Best for IT teams already invested in SolarWinds infrastructure who need operational data flowing seamlessly into their service desk. Let's move to number 6. Number 6 is ManageEngine ServiceDesk Plus, bringing together help desk, asset management, and project management into one unified platform. The platform provides complete asset lifecycle tracking from procurement all the way through to disposal. You can see what hardware and software you have, where it's deployed, and how it's being used across your organization. ManageEngine includes Zia, their AI-powered intelligent assistant. Zia handles conversational support, suggests workflow automations, and learns from your team's historical data to improve accuracy over time. The assistant can automatically route tickets, parse approval emails, and even predict which category a ticket should fall into. The service management capabilities extend beyond IT to HR, finance, and other business departments, so you can use the same platform and processes across your entire organization. Built-in workflows handle approvals, escalations, and notifications without requiring custom development. Best for organizations seeking enterprise-level ITSM and asset tracking at a cost-efficient price point. We're just getting started. Number 5 brings enterprise-grade AI. At number 5, BMC Helix ITSM, the enterprise platform powered by cognitive automation and AIOps. BMC Helix specializes in transforming reactive IT support into proactive, predictive operations. The platform uses AI-driven incident clustering to automatically identify patterns and root causes across thousands of incidents. Instead of treating each ticket individually, the system recognizes when multiple issues stem from the same underlying problem. The cognitive service management capabilities leverage machine learning for intelligent routing and predictive analytics. The system learns from historical data to predict potential issues before they impact users and automatically routes complex problems to the right specialists. For organizations running multi-cloud environments, BMC Helix provides unified visibility across incidents, changes, and releases. You can orchestrate service operations across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and on-premises infrastructure from a single control plane. The platform integrates AIOps capabilities that continuously analyze operational data, detect anomalies, and recommend preventive actions, moving from reactive firefighting to proactive service management. Best for global enterprises requiring predictive analytics, AIOps, and large-scale service orchestration across complex, multi-cloud environments. Freshservice lands at number 4, AI-powered ITSM designed specifically for mid-market organizations. The platform is powered by Freddy AI, which handles intelligent ticket routing, sentiment analysis, and proactive insights. Freddy analyzes incoming tickets to understand urgency and user sentiment, then automatically routes them to the right team member based on expertise, workload, and availability. Freshservice provides real-time tracking of hardware, software, and cloud assets with an auto-updating CMDB. The asset management system automatically discovers and catalogs devices, applications, and cloud resources across your environment. You can see what you have, where it's deployed, and how assets relate to each other. The service management capabilities extend beyond IT. HR can handle employee onboarding requests, facilities can manage workspace tickets, and finance can process procurement requests, all using the same workflows and automation tools. The platform's intuitive interface means teams can start delivering value quickly without extensive training. Built-in automation handles routine tasks like password resets and software access requests, freeing your team to focus on complex issues. Best for mid-market IT teams seeking AI-driven automation and integrated asset management without extensive setup requirements. Now we're entering the top 3. Things are getting serious. Number 3 is Zendesk, bringing the same consumer-grade experience that made them a customer support leader to internal IT services. Zendesk's platform provides AI-powered ticket classification, routing, and autonomous resolution. The AI handles common requests end-to-end without human intervention. Password resets, access requests, and standard inquiries get resolved automatically using your knowledge base and past ticket data. The multi-channel support brings together email, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and web portal submissions into one centralized workspace. Agents see all communication in context, regardless of how users reached out, making it easy to provide consistent support across channels. The comprehensive service catalog integrates with a smart knowledge base that surfaces relevant articles during the submission process. Users often find answers before they even submit a ticket, reducing service desk volume and speeding resolution for everyone. The self-service capabilities run 24/7, allowing employees to find solutions, check ticket status, and resolve common issues on their own schedule. The platform's intuitive interface means employees actually want to use it, no training required. Best for organizations seeking consumer-grade user experiences for internal IT support that employees will embrace. Silver medal goes to Jira Service Management, the platform that seamlessly bridges development, operations, and business teams. Jira Service Management provides native connectivity with Jira software and the entire Atlassian ecosystem. Development teams, operations teams, and business users all work within the same platform, sharing context and accelerating collaboration. When a service desk ticket relates to a code issue, it connects directly to the development sprint. No manual handoffs required. Atlassian Intelligence powers virtual agents that handle routine requests, perform sentiment analysis on incoming tickets, and provide smart suggestions to agents. The AI learns from your organization's data to deliver increasingly accurate recommendations over time. The service management capabilities extend beyond IT to HR, legal, finance, and other business departments. Teams can create custom workflows, approval processes, and service catalogs tailored to their specific needs while maintaining consistency across the organization. The platform's change management connects proposed changes directly to related incidents, problems, and deployments. You can see the full impact of any change across your infrastructure and applications before implementing it. Best for organizations looking to unify IT and development workflows within the Atlassian ecosystem. ServiceNow takes the top position, and for good reason. This is the enterprise gold standard for comprehensive ITSM. ServiceNow unifies AI, automation, and analytics on a single architecture designed to transform how large enterprises manage IT services and workflows. The platform handles the complete service lifecycle, from initial request through resolution and continuous improvement. The AI-powered incident management includes intelligent routing that automatically assigns tickets based on complexity, urgency, and team expertise. Automated task completion handles routine work without human intervention, while predictive analytics identify patterns that could indicate larger systemic issues before they cascade into major incidents. The comprehensive change management provides real-time alerts as changes move through approval workflows. Automated approval processes ensure the right stakeholders review each change based on risk assessment, and the system maintains complete audit trails for compliance requirements. The 24/7 self-service portal uses AI-enhanced search to help employees find solutions instantly. The unified employee experience works seamlessly across desktop and mobile devices, providing consistent access to services regardless of how users connect. Best for large enterprises with complex IT ecosystems requiring deep ITIL alignment and advanced automation across the organization. So there you have it, the top 7 ITSM platforms for 2026. But now we need to talk about the elephant in the room, the thing that stops most ITSM implementations from delivering their promised value. No ITSM platform is an island. Your ServiceNow instance doesn't operate in isolation. It needs to communicate with Jira, monitoring tools, HR systems, security platforms, and dozens of other endpoints across your enterprise and B2B landscape. And this is where the statistics get really uncomfortable. 31% of enterprises still rely on legacy systems that lack API compatibility with modern ITSM tools. This increases implementation timelines by 8 to 10 weeks on average. 44% of IT leaders identify data silos and disparate asset repositories as their biggest challenge. 60% of CIOs are planning to replace or upgrade platforms, not because the platforms failed, but because integration complexity made them unable to deliver value. This is where even the best ITSM platforms hit the same wall. They're designed to manage services, not to operate as integration infrastructure across your entire technology ecosystem. Here's the impossible choice that service providers and enterprise IT teams face: scale fast enough to meet business demands, or maintain control to prevent chaos. But business won't accept the compromise. The result? Service providers lose RFPs saying, "We can't connect to that system." Enterprise IT becomes the transformation blocker. Both lose credibility. Why does this happen? Because speed requires shortcuts. Shortcuts create fragility. Fragility destroys control. Integrations span different systems, different rules, different processes, different authentication mechanisms. No central visibility, no control. It's a vicious cycle. Business grows. Integration demands multiply. Things break. You're firefighting instead of delivering. This cannot continue. This is where OneIO comes in, not as an ITSM platform competing with ServiceNow or Jira, but as the integration operations layer that makes any of these platforms actually work in complex enterprise environments. OneIO's promise is simple but radical. Scale integrations without chaos, even as business demands accelerate. How? By doing 3 things radically different. 1. Built to master complexity. Handle complexity others can't. One integration connects multiple endpoints regardless of what platforms they use. No point-to-point custom work for each connection. Your systems stay as is and evolve independently without compromising integration capabilities. The effect? Scale without custom work. 2. Built for continuity. Stay operational when others go down. Microservices spread across geographic sectors with load balancing. Persistent queuing prevents data loss. Messages held when systems go down, recovered when they return. Advanced monitoring and AI agents ensure 24/7, 365 operations. Upgrades, migrations, and adaptations managed without breaking flows. The effect? Run 24/7 operational during change. 3. Built for certainty. Guarantee outcomes others won't. Battle-tested technology and experts ensure all integrations are always secure and compliant. Not just the platform, but the entire integration infrastructure. They maintain continuous alignment between integrations and your business goals. The effect? Sleep soundly. This results in being known for speed and reliability. Become a partner for demanding businesses. Make commitments that differentiate you. What makes integration ops different from traditional approaches? Traditional integration. Choose platform, build integrations, deploy, hope it keeps working, firefight when it breaks. OneIO's Integration Ops as a Service. OneIO handles integration lifecycle as a managed service. Scale without multiplying overhead. Focus on service delivery. OneIO provides pre-built connections to ServiceNow, Jira Service Management, BMC Remedy, Cherwell, Topdesk, Azure DevOps, and all the other ITSM platforms. These aren't generic API wrappers. They're purpose-built, bi-directional connections that understand ITSM data models and operational requirements. And it's all powered by OneAI. Dash continuously monitoring integration health, automatically resolving issues, and adapting to changes without manual intervention. So let's bring this home. Modern ITSM success requires 2 decisions. Decision 1, choose the right ITSM platform for your organizational context. Decision 2, choose the right operational approach to integration. The platforms we reviewed provide excellent foundations for service management. OneIO provides the integration operations layer that makes those foundations actually deliver value value in complex, multi-platform reality. Because here's the truth, even the best ITSM platform in the world fails when it can't communicate effectively with the rest of your technology ecosystem. If you're evaluating ITSM platforms or struggling with integration complexity, download our popular guide on integration ops for IT service leaders. If this video helped you see ITSM differently, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.